Hey, it's Tony. Welcome back to the channel. Now, you guys know I'm all about combining unforgettable experiences with incredible destinations, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of sport travel. That's right, I'm highlighting 5 sport events in 2025 that you absolutely should put on your list of travel destinations. We're talking about bucket list events, the kind that gets your adrenaline pumping and leaves you with stories to tell for years to come. These aren't just competitions, they're cultural immersions, chances to explore new places, soak up electric atmospheres, and witness history in the making. So, buckle up, get your passports ready, and let's jump into the top 5 sport events to travel for in 2025. First up, we're jetting off to the French Riviera, a place synonymous with glamour, luxury, and of course, speed. That's right, we're talking about the legendary Monaco Grand Prix happening in May 2025. Imagine yourself perched above the famous Fairmont hairpin, the sun glinting off the Mediterranean, feeling the roar of the engines as Formula One cars navigate those tight, winding streets. The atmosphere is electric, the air thick with anticipation and the roar of the crowd. But the Monaco Grand Prix is more than just a race. It's an experience. Take some time to wander through Monte Carlo's luxurious casinos. Maybe try your luck at a game or two, or sip cocktails at a harborside cafe, watching the yachts bob gently in the azure water. And the people watching, don't even get me started. Celebrities, royalty, and motorsport legends all come together for this iconic event, creating a spectacle both on and off the track. To make the most of your trip, consider booking a room at the luxurious Hotel de Paris Monte Carlo. You'll have a front row seat to the action with the added bonus of luxurious accommodations and top-notch service. Trust me, this is an experience you won't soon forget. Next stop, we're trading the roar of engines for the polite applause of Wimbledon, one of tennis's 4 Grand Slam tournaments. Taking place in June and July, Wimbledon is a true celebration of tennis, steeped in tradition and prestige. Picture this, you're sitting on the edge of your seat at center court, the summer sun casting long shadows across the perfectly manicured grass. The crisp sound of tennis balls hitting rackets fills the air as you witness incredible displays of athleticism and skill. But Wimbledon is about more than just the matches. It's about indulging in strawberries and cream, sipping Pimm's in the sunshine, and soaking up the unique atmosphere of this world-renowned event. And when you're not taking in the action on the court, London offers a plethora of hidden gems to discover. Explore the charming streets of Notting Hill, get lost in the vibrant energy of Camden Market, or take a stroll through the serene beauty of Regent's Park. London is a city brimming with history, culture, and endless possibilities for exploration. And for the perfect blend of elegance and comfort, enjoy your stay at the Ritz London. With Wimbledon as your backdrop, it's an experience that's sure to serve up memories to last a lifetime. Chapter 3, Chasing the Tour de France, July 2025. From Wimbledon, we're pedaling to France for the world's most prestigious cycling race, the Tour de France. This grueling event takes place in July, traversing breathtaking landscapes and iconic landmarks. You don't have to be a cycling enthusiast to appreciate the Tour de France. The race is an incredible spectacle with colorful jerseys, crowds, and excitement in the air. It's an invitation to discover the heart and soul of France. Imagine sipping local wine in a vineyard as the peloton whizzes by, or cheering from a village square adorned with banners and flags. The Tour de France is a journey through picturesque countryside and historic towns, offering a glimpse into the diverse beauty and rich culture of France. After a day of excitement, rest at the charming Hotel Le Bristol Paris, offering a serene retreat. It's an experience that will stay with you long after the last rider crosses the finish line. Chapter 4, Immersing in the Indianapolis 500, May 2025. Let's head to the United States for the Indianapolis 500. Held annually in May, the Indy 500 is a spectacle of speed and excitement. Imagine the ground trembling as 33 cars roar past at over 230 miles per hour. The roar of the engines reverberates through your core. The Indy 500 is more than just a race. It's a cultural phenomenon. From the singing of Back Home Again in Indiana to the traditional milk chug in Victory Lane. The Indy 500 is an experience that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. For a luxurious and convenient stay, consider the Conrad Indianapolis, just a short drive from the Speedway. Chapter 5, High-Stakes Action in Las Vegas, Fight Nights throughout 2025. Finally, we're heading to the entertainment capital of the world, a city that pulsates with energy 24/7, Las Vegas. While not a single event, Las Vegas hosts some of the biggest boxing and UFC fights throughout the year, making it a must-visit destination for combat sport fans. Imagine yourself in the electrifying atmosphere of a Las Vegas fight night. The lights, the music, the roar of the crowd. It's an experience that's unmatched anywhere else in the world. For an opulent and thrilling experience, book your stay at the Venetian Resort. It's about indulging in world-class dining, it's experiencing dazzling shows, and trying your luck at the casinos. Walk down the strip, taking in the dazzling lights and iconic landmarks, and let the city's energy wash over you. And hey, if you're feeling lucky, place a bet on your favorite fighter and add to the excitement of the night. Whether you're a die-hard boxing fan or simply looking for an unforgettable night out, a Las Vegas fight night is an experience that will leave you breathless. Your 2025 sport adventure awaits. So, there you have it. My top 5 sport events to travel for in 2025. From the luxury of Monaco to the excitement of Vegas, these events offer unforgettable experiences that combine the best of sport and culture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming adventures. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels.